Welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solid state class 3. Solid state class 3, we are going to discuss about the crystal lattice. Okay friends, now what is the definition of crystal lattice and what is the definition of unit cell and what is the types of unit cells? In this video, we are going to discuss about these 3 points. Now first of all, what is the general definition of the crystal lattice? Okay friends, crystal lattice is a regular arrangement of consistent particles in three-dimensional pattern, or we can say regular arrangement of points. Okay friends, regular arrangements of points is called crystal lattice or lattice. Okay friends, this is the definition of crystal lattice. Crystal lattice is the regular arrangement of consistent particles. Okay friends, consistent particles means molecules, ions and atoms. Okay friends, for example, this is the center of the molecule. Molecule have a spherical shape. Okay friends, now what is crystal lattice? Crystal lattice is the regular arrangement of, it is three-dimensional pattern of consistent particles in regular arrangement, that is called as crystal lattice. Okay friends, now we have to imagination of the crystal lattice diagram. Okay friends, these are the molecules. These molecules is the center point is I am represented to them regular arrangement like this. This is the one point and this is the another point and this is third one, fourth one, fifth one. Okay friends, these are the irregular pattern of consistent particles. Okay friends, these are the center of the molecule and this is the another, the down of these points. This is the another point, this is the another point, this is another point, another point and another point. Okay friends, these are the regular pattern. Okay friends, regular pattern of the consistent particles. It means three-dimensional shape. You have to assume that these points in three-dimensional pattern like this. This is the another points and another point and another point, another point, another point, and this is the another point, another point, another point, another point. Okay friends, this is called as crystal lattice. Crystal lattice means regular arrangement of points. It means discipline pattern of molecules. Okay friends, this is the center of the molecule. This pattern or this arrangement is called as crystal lattice. In this arrangement, each point is also called as lattice point. This is very important friends, basic concept of crystal lattice. Okay friends, each point is called as lattice point. Okay friends, this is the crystal lattice. Now another important term is the definition of unit cell. Okay friends, another important term is unit cell. Okay friends, now what is the unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest three-dimensional unit to form crystal lattice after repetition, that is called as unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest part of crystal lattice after repetition, also called as unit cell. Okay friends, this is the crystal lattice. This is the arrangement of consistent particles in regular pattern. What happens friends? The unit cell. Now we have to consider this pattern in unit cell. What happens friends? Now we have to image these lattice points. Okay friends, first of all, these 2 points is added and these 2 points is added, and in these 2 points is added in downward. What happens friends? These points are added. Now we have to assume that we have to construct a crystal. It means now we have to construct a crystal lattice. Now first of all, you have to construct a small cube like this is the arrangement of these molecules is like this. It means added of these molecules is like this. Okay friends, this is the cube or is arrangement of these consistent particles. Now it's the repetition of these cube molecules, the repetitions of these boxes. Okay friends, another repetition, it means another cube is formed like this. These 2 points are added, these 2 points are added, then these 2 points are 2 points, these total points are added. What happens friends, this is like this. This is the another box is present in there. It means the small box, and this is the another small box. It means repeated of the boxes is added to these crystal lattice. Now the smallest box is also called as unit cell. Okay friends, the smallest box is also called as unit cell. It means smallest three-dimensional unit is also called as unit cell. Okay friends, clear friends, what is unit cell friends? Unit cell is the smallest three-dimensional unit to form a crystal lattice. Okay friends, to form a crystal lattice after repetition of the small boxes. Okay friends, this is the unit cell and this is the definition of crystal lattice. Friends, unit cell is classified into two categories. Okay friends, unit cell is classified into two categories. Okay friends, one is simple unit cell and another one is centered unit cell. Okay friends, first one is simple unit cell and another one is centered unit cell. This simple unit cell is also called as primitive unit cell. Okay friends, this simple unit cell is called as primitive unit cell. This centered unit cell is another classified into three categories. One is, okay friends, this centered unit cell is another classified into three categories. One is face centered unit cell and another one is body centered unit cell and another one is end centered unit cell. Okay friends, centered unit cell is another classified into three categories. One is face centered unit cell, body centered unit cell and end centered unit cell. Now I am going to discuss about the types of unit cell and atom per unit cell. Okay friends, I am going to discuss about the types of unit cell in briefly. This is clear friend. First of all, this is arise. Okay friends, types of unit cell. Types of unit cell. Types of unit cell and atom per unit cell. Okay friends, types of unit cell, atom per unit cell. First of all, types of unit cell. Types of unit cell is the first important one is the simple unit cell. Okay friends, simple or primitive unit cell. Okay friends, simple or primitive unit cell. Friends, what is simple or primitive unit cell? Simple or primitive unit cell, atoms are present in at corners. Okay friends, simple or primitive unit cell, atoms are present in at corners. Okay friends, now we have to consider some unit cell. The unit cell is cubic unit cell. Okay friends, we have to consider a cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell is the length, breadth and height. Okay friends, these three are equal in cubic unit cell and the angles is alpha, beta, gamma is equal to the 90 degrees in cubic unit cell. Okay friends, cubic unit cell length, breadth and height is also equal and alpha, beta, gamma is 90 degrees. It means parameters are equal in cubic unit cell. Now we have to consider a simple primitive unit cell like cube. Okay friends, okay friends, this is the simple or primitive cubic unit cell. Okay friends, these are the simple or primitive cubic unit cell. It means the atoms are present in simple primitive unit cell is corners. Okay friends, atoms are present in corners like this. Okay friends, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay friends, 8 atoms are present in corners in simple or primitive unit cell. Okay friends, corners in atoms are present in 8. And 8 atoms are present in our simple or primitive unit cell. Each atom, okay friends, each atom is 1/8 atom. Okay friends, in each atom 1/8 part is including in the this unit cell. Okay friends, 1/8 part of atom is it's involved in the this unit cell. Okay friends, for example, here you have to consider this atom. Okay friends, this atom shape is a spherical. Okay friends, this atom shape is a spherical. Now this part, okay friends, you have to assume that this part is involved in the this unit cell. Okay friends, this part is called as 1/8 part. Okay friends, now we have to imagination of this atom is ball. Okay friends, we have to imagination of this atom is ball, like this ball is this shape, and this is the centered, and this is the half of this ball. Okay friends, half of this ball, what happens friends? This half of the ball is like this. This is the half of the ball. This half of the ball is centered, and this is 4 parts. Okay friends, this half of the ball is divided into 4 parts, and this part is, okay friends, this part is called as 1/4 part. 1/4 part is involved in the present in the 1/4 part is present in the this unit cell. Now half of the ball is 1/4 and total ball is the 1/8 part. Okay friends, 1/8 part is including in the this unit cell. Now this is the corners is 8 into each atom is 1/8 part. 8 into 1/8, how much? This is the one atom is present in the simple or primitive unit cell. Okay friends, this is the very important point friends. The atom per unit cell is one atom is present in the simple or primitive unit cell. And next important unit cell is the centered unit cell. Now centered unit cell is the face centered unit cell. Okay friends, face centered unit cell. Okay friends, face centered unit cell is the atoms are present at corners. Atoms are present at corners and atoms are presented at face. Okay friends, face of unit cell. Okay friends, atoms are present in corners and atoms are present at face. Now here you can say draw a cube like this. This is the face centered unit cell. Okay friends, face centered unit cell is face centered unit cell is like this. This is the cube. This cube, these are the corners. Okay friends, corners are 8 atoms are present in the each corner. Okay friends, this is the corners or atoms is present in like this. This is 8 atoms and the atoms are present in corners and atoms are present in face. Okay friends, in cube unit cell is the phases is present in 6 phases. Okay friends, this is the one phase and this is another phase and this is another phase and this is another phase, and front of you this is one phase and another back of you this is another phase. Okay friends, 8 face centered unit cell is the 6 phases are present in there and corners is 8 corners. 8 corners is 8 atoms is present in there and 6 phases is present in there and corners is 8 atoms is present in each atom is 1/8 part is involved in 1/8 part is present in the unit cell. This is the 1/8 into 1/8 and 1/8 part is the this is one atom is present in the face centered unit cell in corners respected to corners and face centered. Okay friends, these are the 6 phases is present in there. 6 phases is present in there and each phase is a 1/2. Okay friends, half of the part is involved in the this unit cell. Okay friends, we have to consider a ball. Okay friends, we have to consider a ball. The ball is present in the this phase. Half of the ball is in outside of this cube, half of the ball is present in the inside of the cube. It means half part of the ball, it means half part of the atom is present in the unit cell. It means six spaces is present in the 6 into half. Finally, this is the 3. Okay friends, 3 atoms, and this is 1. Okay friends, face centered unit cell is the respected to the face centered unit cell is the atom per unit cell is 4. Okay friends, 4 atoms is present in the face centered unit cell. 1 is the corners and 3 atoms is the face. Okay friends, this is the face centered unit cell and this is the simple or primitive unit cell. Okay friends, this is clear friends. First of all, this is arrays. Okay friends, another one is body centered unit cell. Third one is body centered unit cell. Okay friends, third one is a body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell, atoms are present at corners, atoms are present at corners and atoms are present at body centered of the cube. Okay friends, atoms are present at corners and atoms are present in body. Now here you can say, you can draw a cube like this. This is the cube like this. Cube. This is the body centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell, corners atoms is present in there like this. This is one atom, another atom, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay friends, in corners is 8 atoms are present in there and body centered. Okay friends, body centered means one atom is present in the body. Okay friends, this is the cube and the body centered, it means this atom is present in the body of this cube. It means body centered unit cell, atoms are present in corners is 8 atoms. Each atom is 1/8 part of atom is including in this unit cell. It means 8 into 1/8 is equal to the 1 atom. In body centered is the total atom is present in this unit cell, and body centered unit cell, the atoms per unit cell is 1 atom in corners and 1 atom in body. It means this is 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay friends, body centered unit cell, atom per unit cell in body centered unit cell is 2. Okay friends, 1 atom in corners and 1 atom in body. Okay friends, this is the diagram of the body centered unit cell. Finally, I am going to talk about end centered unit cell. Okay friends, end centered unit cell. Okay friends, end centered unit cell. End centered unit cell, atoms are present at corners and as well as atoms are present at end. Okay friends, end point of the unit cell. Okay friends, you have to consider an end centered unit cell. Now we have to consider a draw an end centered unit cell diagram like this. This is the cube. Okay friends, we have to imagination of this cube. End centered unit cell, it means atoms are present in corners. Okay friends, this is the 8 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms is present in the corners and end center. It means you have to assume that this cube, now 2 end points are present in this cube. Okay friends, this is the top of the face is one end point and bottom of the face is another end point. This is the bottom of the face is another end point and this is the top of the face, this is the another end point. It means end centered unit cell, the atoms per unit is the corners in 8 atoms is present in the corners. In each atom 1/8 part is present in the unit cell. Now this is the 8 into 1/8 is 1 and 2 end points is present in there and 2 end points each point. Okay friends, two end points are present in there. It means 2 atoms in this top face and bottom face and each atom is a 1/2. Okay friends, each atom is a 1/2 part is present in the unit cell. Okay friends, this is the 1/2 part of the atom is present in the unit cell. Half part of atom is present in the outside of the unit cell. It means 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to the 1. Finally, atoms per unit cell in end-centered unit cell is a 2. Okay friends, this is the end-centered unit cell and this is the body-centered unit cell. Okay friends, these are the types of unit cell, atom per unit cell. Okay friends, in atoms per unit cell in simple or primitive unit cell is 1 and face-centered unit cell is atoms per unit cell is 4 and body-centered unit cell atoms per unit cell is 2 and end-centered unit cell atoms per unit cell is 2. Okay friends, this is the concept of the crystal lattice and unit cell. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.